There's the water. Good job. This is a French bulldog, and we are going to review Play-Doh Town.
Play-Doh Town.
Just kidding. It's Lena. Hasbro has introduced Play-Doh Town. So there's characters now to play with your Play-Doh, and you can make a whole fun world with it.
There's a fire truck that you can get with it, but it doesn't come with this.
So should we open this up and see what's inside?
Let's see.
Okay, cool.
So there's Play-Doh, green, orange, yellow, blue.
What else is in here? This box is packed.
These two push downs, the firefighter, this stuff, this, the fire hydrant, a dog that you have to put it together.
And easy instructions. Why does this guy have nothing inside of his head?
Because you have to put Play-Doh in it. This.
Wait a minute. What happens when you put Play-Doh in there and push it through?
And if you put Play-Doh in there, you see, put his head on, it poops. It's smaller than here.
Go. Oh, look, a little bed for the firefighter.
Cannot help.
There's a lot of stuff we can do to play with this, isn't there? There's tons of molds all around the whole playset. Even on the top.
Under his bed and on the butt of his bed.
Look, I made a little teddy bear.
That's why it's gonna be yellow. Watch him. Boo.
Oh, I'm gonna make the fireman's pole. You ready? We make a fireman pole. The fireman could be sleeping in his little bed, and the alarm goes off, and he gets up. Ding, ding, ding. Slides down the pole. Look, here's a fire hydrant, and we need water to put out the fire. Here it comes.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Subscribe.
Comment
Down below.